was it?
Yes, it was.
No.
My hand's completely dry.
No, but I'm gonna see if your hand is dry. Wait, I wanna read your shirt. Wait, I wanna read your shirt. I wanna read your shirt. I wanna read your shirt.
It
I feel like I'm
says-
gonna rape you and take your shirt off.
Ew. What?
Okay, I would get that out of the video. Where did she go?
Remember last night?
Wait, I should do I'm gonna do the play thing. I'm a little Casey right now. I'm gonna be back on. Alright.
Come here.
Come on, get out of here.
Oh my god, you sound like Mickey or like Minnie on like Mickey Not Clubhouse.
Pretend these are Fruit Loops.
What? I don't sound like Mickey or Minnie Mouse.
Gotta run in there, remember that. Oh my god.